Dear friends, today I will tell you about the history of lockdowns. The entire world has gone into lockdown to prevent the spread of coronavirus disease known as COVID-19. The question arises, why lockdown? With no therapeutic drugs and vaccine in place to prevent the spread of disease, confinement and quarantine are the proven measures the world has adopted to fight with coronavirus disease. What is lockdown? Dictionary says confinement of prisoners into their cells so that they are not a threat to others is known as lockdown. It is done normally after a crime situation or a riot or any other disturbance. Whereas the other meaning says lockdown is a situation where people are asked not to enter or exit into a particular place or area to prevent some emergency situation. Many kinds of lockdowns have been seen in history. Some are preventive lockdowns to prevent people from a particular situation. For example, a terrorist attack in a playground asks the students to stay in their classrooms. Some are emergency lockdowns where the government is not prepared to tackle the emergency and people are asked to stay in a place or in a particular area. When United States asks its residents to stay in their homes, it is known as shelter in place or stay in home orders, not lockdown, because people are having limited movement in and out. Perhaps the first time when lockdowns were used as a preventive measure to save the world from pandemics were in Italy during the plague outbreak in the Renaissance period. It was in 15th, 16th and 17th centuries that the plagues were attacking Italy and such kind of lockdowns were used, and it was imposed in full force in Florence in 1630. So, the lockdown measures which the entire world is adopting today has its root in Italy. In Italy, during the Black Death in 1347, the Italian government organized a complete lockdown to give a combat to the disease. The cornerstones of these lockdowns was quarantine, isolation, disinfection, keeping the people physically distant, and all the population which was stuck by this pandemic was asked to stay inside their homes. Perhaps the first city to implement this kind of organized lockdown as a safety measure against the health emergency was Venice because of its geographical location. It was surrounded by waters from all the sides and was a major trading center during those days, was dangerously imposed by the plague, and a complete lockdown was organized to save the city. And also, there are parallels between the measures taken during COVID-19 and those of 400 years ago in Florence. That time also, the authorities tried to find out the patient zero and its contacts, and the contacts were traced and were asked to go into isolation for 40 days or were asked to go into the quarantine centers made outside the city. If we talk of modern times, in 2001, during the September 11 terrorist attack in USA, the US government called for a complete lockdown of civil aviation space. In 2008, University of British Columbia imposed a lockdown when there was a terrorist attack in the university. In 2013, we have seen the Boston lockdown where the entire city was into a lockdown. Even the transportation was stopped for a manhunt of terrorists. In 2015, the city of Brussels was on a complete lockdown for many days, for the security services were looking for all the suspects of the Paris attack of 2015. To lock up a person in a chamber or to lock up the entire chamber dates back to 15th and 16th century, but the complete lockdown is very recent. Among many other problems faced by the people during this lockdown, like hunger, poverty, movement of laborers, one of them was stress and loneliness. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, gave a complete concern to this kind of problem and engaged the people in different activities during the starting of lockdown. That was either ringing the bells or thalis in the balconies or lighting the diyas in the balconies. And it was like a call for the entire nation to unite against COVID-19. And that night when the diyas were lit in all the balconies, it looked like मेरी इस पावन धरती पर हर्ष और उल्लास बरसा, ऐसा दीप जला कि गगन धरा को तरसा. And you will be surprised to know that in 19th century America, lockdown was a peg or a strip of wood used to secure the rafts from movement when timber was transported through river. And see the irony, present situation is named after a mechanism which was used to secure safe travel outwards. Lockdowns, lockdowns and lockdowns, and we are not getting a solution to these lockdowns. I wish we get a solution to these lockdowns very soon. I pray to the Almighty. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukbhag bhavet. Om Shantihi, Shantihi, Shantihi.
Dear friends, if you have liked the video, click on the like icon, and if you want to see more of my videos, do not forget to click on the subscribe button below the video. I want to hear from you about the video, so scroll down and leave a comment in the comment box. Thank you.